Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, what is up? And today is the day for part 2 of survival game on Scratch. Wait, let me go into full screen real quick. Alright, so I don't have my webcam on right now because it kind of blocks up the screen and you guys need to see everything, so yeah. But last time, oh wait, don't worry about this player speed variable, we're going to be using that in today's video. But last time, we made an inventory system where you could swap your inventory, all of that. And yeah. So let's get into part 2. So, as you guys know, I created a player speed variable. And over here, I'm just gonna set it to 3. It's for all sprites. So, yeah. And I'm gonna set player speed over here. And then I'm going to, boom, take a multiplication. Player speed times -1. And then I'm going to duplicate that for the down, and then I'm just going to duplicate that for the up. So that does absolutely nothing, but it's just that you can change the player speed from one area instead of having to go in and changing it every time. So it's just a quick little thing. But let's make these tools actually usable. Let's start with the sword. So in the when I broadcast show sword, and then if, oh wait, this is the inven. Alright, boom. When I receive show sword, and then we're gonna do if mouse down, then let's broadcast swing. Swing sword. Okay. And when I receive swing sword, let's duplicate this, and I'm going to add, let's change this to what? I don't know, 30 maybe? Add like gray here. And then make like that. And then I'm going to take the eraser tool, and then I'm just going to select, oh dang, that's not. And then I'm going to like make it, wait. You know how I just deleted this entire thing? This might actually be useful. Boom, and then boom. And it's like that. And it's like slashing. I don't know if that actually looks good. That looks actually terrible. So I'm just gonna tilt it down. I feel like that might look better. And then we're gonna switch costume to costume 2. Wait, let's do like 0.5 seconds. Then we're gonna switch back to costume 1. Now, I'll switch over to this. Boom, you can see that it does go down, or up, whatever you want to call it. But, yeah. And let's also add a, wait until, and then a not, and the mouse down. So now, we can attack with the sword. Boom. Every 0.5 seconds. So, yeah. Also, we can hide that. Now, let's, start adding, like, a daytime, nighttime sort of counter thing. So, let's paint a new sprite. This is going to be called just darkness. Alright. Boom. And just fill it in black. There. Might not understand what this is right now. But what we're going to do is when green flag clicked, we're going to hide. But when I receive play game, boom, we're going to show set ghost effect to 100. Alright, wait, actually, I'm going to make a variable called time. I'm going to set time to 100 at the beginning. Alright, and set ghost effect to time, and put this in a forever loop. Boom. So you can see that literally nothing happens right now, but if we do, in the backdrop. Let's do when green flag clicked forever. And then let's wait 1 second and we'll change time by -1. And now, oh wait, this actually needs to be a when I receive play. When I receive play game. Okay. So now, if I actually change this to 0.1 just for the purposes of the video, you can see that it's going to get darker and darker and darker. But I want it to stop at 50 because that's going to be like maximum darkness. Alright? So it's going to take, well, then if it's going to stop at 50, we can change this to 3. So it's going to take 150 seconds for a whole day and night to cycle. And in the darkness thing, what we can do, oh wait, no, here. If, and then put in equals to, and then put in a or and then a, or less than, oh dang, okay. Less than. So if time is equal to or less than 50, then, oh wait, it was already 50, alright. Then we're going to set time to 100. Now, for again, video purposes, if I just change this to like 0.1 seconds, it's gonna go down at insane rate. And you can see it gets darker and darker. And then when it gets to 50, boom, it'll go back. And that's not really smooth. So instead of doing this, we're going to repeat 50 times. Change time by 1. Change time by 1. And let's put like a wait 0. Another wait 3. Actually, no. We can change this to 1.5. And change this to 1.5. Actually, never mind. Okay. I'm just thinking of how long the day and night's going to be. But this is going to take a very, very long time. So, let's change this to, again, 0.1. Change this to 0.1. And it gets darker and darker. And then it starts to get lighter and lighter. Wow. That's insane. And then the day and night will start again. So we'll change this to 3. And, alright. So that's a day and night thing going. But now let's actually make zombies spawn. The first time we're actually going to be using the zombie sprite. So let's do when green flag clicked. Oh wait, I'm actually going to hide the darkness for now. Alright. When green flag clicked, we can go to, oh no, wait, never mind. What am I saying? Alright, we can hide, we can set size to 110 because they're gonna be like basically the same size as the player. And forever if, let's put a less than, if time is less than, let's do 75, then we'll create, well no, actually 60. Let's do 60. We'll create clone of myself. Boom. And let's make a variable called spawn rate. And we're gonna set spawn rates at the beginning to, let's do so not that high. I mean actually, yeah, okay, 5. Spawn rates to 5. And then we're gonna wait spawn rates seconds, and then we're gonna create clone of myself. And I'll also just realized this is supposed to be in a when green flag, when I receive play game. So it'll create clone of itself. Oh dang, I wanna hide that. Alright, and then when I receive oh no, I mean when I start as a clone. What am I doing? Alright, when I start as a clone, I'm gonna show the zombies real quick. I'm going to do I'm gonna go to random position, alright, and then show. Now, if I just do that, okay, they're gonna spawn like all over. And it's not fair if they spawn like there to the player, right? So what we're gonna do is repeat until, and then let's put a greater than, and then a distance, where's the distance to player is greater than, let's do 200. And then we're gonna show. So if I ever do, oh dang, I hate this darkness. Even though we like need it. All right. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot to put a go to front layer here. I just realized that. But if I create a clone of myself, they're not gonna show until they're actually pretty far away from the player, as you can see. And if I move the player, they're gonna spawn away from him now. So, I might actually change this to 150 to make it a little bit more fair. And, yeah, so let's give this a go. I'm going to change I'm gonna make a variable called time speed, so I don't have to keep on doing this. And I'll set time speed to, for now 0.1, because we're just doing this for testing purposes. Wait, what the heck? Oh, wait. Okay. Huh? What? So if I, like, don't do that, it'll... What's happening? What just happened? Alright, what if I just get rid of everything? Wait, it works now? But why? Alright, well, that's weird. Okay, so they should be spawning anytime soon. Dang. Alright, wait, that's probably not a good thing. Let's change that to 3. Time is less than 60. Okay, so it'll go down faster. Okay. Boom. And I'll make it go up. I made it go up slowly. So they should be spawning. Maybe. No? Why are they not? Wait, oh wait, I didn't add the crit. Oh my god. I'm actually stupid. Okay, there you go. They are spawning. So that is a pretty good thing. And in the when I receive play, well, actually, no, you know what? Never mind. Let's also do go to random position, and then repeat until touching. Oh wait, okay. Touching player. We're gonna point towards player and move 10 steps. Now, also guys, the time going down really fast, that's just for testing purposes. I'm going to once again, make it slower, but this is for testing purposes. And I don't know, moving 10 steps may be too fast. What, they're just not spawning anymore? Hello? Are there any clones of you? Oh wait, we forgot to add a show. That was all my fault. Oh, dang. See, that is not what we want. Yeah, okay, that's not what we want. Let's do 2 steps, okay? And then we will, set rotation style to left and right. And now, alright, the time goes down, and they're gonna start spawning, so better be careful. Alright, see? And I should probably put in a next costume. Next costume. So then they're actually running, and I'll put a delete this clone at the end. So, here, let me just delete a bunch of... Okay, that doesn't work. But now, they're gonna die. And, so let's make it so that we can kill the zombies. So let's actually make a health variable first. We'll set health to what? 10, okay? And then the zombies, repeat until touching player, we're going to change health by -1 and then do that. But now, let's duplicate this and do repeat until touching sword. And then what we're gonna do is delete this clone. And oh wait, okay. So we're gonna have to create a variable called sword mode. Alright? In the sword over here, we're gonna set sword mode to swing, and then at the end we're gonna switch it back to idle. Alright? And now in the zombies we can do if, and then put an equals to. So if sword mode is equal to swing, make sure you type it exactly as you typed it in there, we are going to delete this clone. Else we're going to change health by -1. Alright, now let's test this out. Wait, EE. Okay, idle. We have to fix that. Alright. And now zombies should be spawning. And they will take my health away. But I will be able to get rid of them by swinging at them. And boom. And yeah. So let's real quickly just hide all these variables. And in the sword at the very beginning, wait, okay. Set sword mode to idle. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, smash that like button, and the subscribe button. But I will see you guys in the next one. Also guys, before I leave, go watch the video on screen right now. If you want to learn how to make other cool games from my channel. But anyways, yeah guys, peace.